Say that again?
Welcome to my bike check.
Alright. We got Mike Wiley. What do you got, Mike Wiley? Start us from the front and work your way back.
Alright. I got Fly Montana.
Montana? Yell louder.
I got Fly Montana V2 bars, stainless steel, repainted, black, Odi extra long grip.
Extra long.
Extra long, one side fits all. We got Odi par ends.
What else?
We got some elite Demolition forks, profile hub mini with a G-Sport peg, an Odyssey 7KA rim.
That peg is so small.
So small, I don't grind. We got some Fit FAFs, front and back. We got one blue Odyssey twisted pedal, and on the other side we got a black one.
That's fucking gay.
I know. And then for my frame we got a Haro SD V2 Dennis Anderson with a Demolition seat and an animal
seat post?
Yeah. With a Cinema old school rim. That's like the first ever Cinema made, with a Shadow Conspiracy chain and a Shadow sprocket.
Let's see that chain and sprocket. Oh, it's that chain. Sweet. Sick.
We're out.